All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. I've been dropping a bunch of stocks that I think are going to pop, okay? And they've all been payment sector stocks, all right? So Goldman Sachs says a payment stock sector reshuffle will redefine financials, all right? And this was published last week on the 6th, and ever since last week, the financial sector has done really, really well, okay? But basically, stocks like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Pfizer, and other stuff are going to be moving into the financial sector of the S&P, which is XLF. Okay, so currently they've been in the tech sector, right? Um, and non-index stocks like Square, soon to be renamed. Okay, they're being renamed to Block. Okay, and companies like Toast IPO'd recently. Toast is a really good company as well. They're also expected to be reclassified. Okay, um, so the reclassification of Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal into financials would also redefine the sector's growth and valuation profiles. The addition of these three companies, along with four others that we view likely to move, would increase the PE multiples of the financial sector by one turn, but the sector will remain extremely inexpensive versus history. So basically, if you invest into XLF, they're saying that it's, typically historically this would be a inexpensive time to purchase XLF. All right. Um, all right. And so if Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal shift from infotech to financials, they will become the fourth, fifth, and sixth largest companies in the sector, representing 16% of its market cap and 7% of its earnings. All right. Um, so basically, that is what I'm looking for. Okay, the market moves in cycles, it's cyclical. All right, and there is going to be a sector rotation heading into the payment stock sector. It has already begun. So that's that. Now, another thing that's big, all right, PayPal, which owns Venmo, and then Square, which owns Cash App, and Square is changing its name to Block, okay, to prevent to basically showcase that they're getting into blockchain, okay, and cryptocurrency. All right, so some of the apps are limited to buying and selling, and they don't allow you to move cryptocurrency to a wallet, right? So they are basically getting into crypto. All right. Venmo, which is PayPal, and Cash App, which is Square, have added cryptocurrency purchasing to their popular payment services. All right, so people know that you can buy crypto on Cash App. Square is going to be announcing soon. I don't think there's any official reports out yet, but Square is basically going to be announcing that you can now send people crypto anywhere. Using Cash App. All right. So instead of having to send somebody a couple bucks on the Cash App, you'll be able to send them a couple SHIB or a couple Bitcoin or a couple Ethereum. All right. So that's really, really big. All right. And here, we have some things going over Square. Square Inc. changes its name to Blanc. Block will be the name for the company as a corporate entity. All right. Block acknowledges the company's growth. All right. Since 2009, the company has added Cash App, which I just spoke of, Tidal, which is very big. Okay. Because Tidal is a music streaming service. Square is getting into the blockchain. They're going to be bringing music and media to the blockchain. Okay. And the name of their other company is TBD54, yada, yada, yada. This is basically a code name, which is just reflecting their blockchain enterprises they have going on. Okay. Um, that's very, very important. Okay. So Square, PayPal, and Venmo, which are together, and then Square, Cash App, Tidal, change the name to Block. Okay. Visa is now getting into this. So Visa announces new crypto consulting service for merchants and banks. All right. Visa said that its crypto focused advisory services can advise on anything from crypto features and services to NFTs. All right. According to Visa, the company's interest in crypto is driven by the need to remain competitive and meet consumer demand. Okay, so the people are driving this. All right, it's us, it's us, the retail traders, it's the community as a whole globally. We are driving these big corporations we're forcing them to pay attention to crypto, basically. So Visa said that 40% of crypto earners surveyed report they would be likely or very likely to switch their primary bank to one that offers crypto related projects or products in the next 12 months, which is facts. I've already begun this process. I think you guys should. WhatsApp now supports cryptocurrency. Okay. And WhatsApp is Facebook, which is now known as Meta. Okay. So Meta is getting into crypto. That's Facebook. Square, the same guy, the former CEO of Twitter, is the CEO of Square, changed the name to Block. They're getting in a blockchain. Visa's getting in a blockchain. PayPal's getting in a blockchain. Goldman Sachs has a payment stock sector. Reshuffle is going to happen. So you guys need to find out what stocks to buy and what prices to buy them at. And I have a video right here to the right, breaking all of those down. Okay, I have a playlist, my stock analysis playlist, and the last 5 videos all cover Visa, PayPal, MasterCard, Square, and SoFi. Okay, SoFi I think is going to be slept on. SoFi is at a really nice support level. So watch those videos if you guys want to know exactly which stocks to get and what prices to get them at. All right.